What's going on, everybody? Back at it again, continuing on my seat brackets. I finally received my seat rails in the mail, so I can get it all measured up, see how high my seat is gonna be, how high I want it, all that stuff, and finish fabricating the seat bracket so I can get this checked off my list. So here are the seat brackets. I got these off of also Heat Lightning Speed Shop, same I got my angle kit. They're just some NRG seat rails. Driver passenger side, probably gonna hold off on making the driver side, so this one will probably just sit on the shelf. Gave me some hardware, so let me get these attached to the seat and we'll go from there. Alright, got the seat rail in, it's all good. Now, I'm going to go into the car, make some supports that go on each side of the base of the bracket, and then start figuring out how high I want to sit. So, here we go. Alright, so I've marked out the distance in between the two base plates I put. I'm going to cut those out, tack them up in the car. Up, grind them, time lapse this part, and keep going. I knew it was moving too fast. Holy shit. I hope I could slow that down and you could see that flapper disc just exploding into me. Got my finger pretty good. Not too bad. Got my stomach a little bit. A little cut right there. A little cut right there. Could have been way worse. Should have been using some sort of protected a guard. Just be safe. Fuck. Well, after a few minutes, I feel alright. Stinging a little bit, but I'm just gonna keep going. Just weld it up. That's my only flapper disc, or my last flapper disc, so just gonna keep going. I don't really need to grind the back of it, and try to get this one done at least, so I can go home. It's my goal for the day. Just get this seat bracket in, get it all bolted up. Hopefully another hour or so, and I'll do a rough mock, not mock, but like welding and everything, so just keep going. Going on, everybody? Day 2 of trying to finish up the seat bracket. I wanted to finish yesterday, but I kind of just ran out of time and just didn't feel like it. I wanted to, but we're back at it again. From reviewing the footage and editing at home, I realized I put these on upside down because to release it would be pushing down. I don't know why I didn't think about it. I had them backwards. So I'm going to flip them real quick. Pretty sure this side is supposed to rest on the seat, and then it'll make things a lot easier, and it's just the right way to do it. So I'm gonna flip these, get it back in the car, and I'll pick it back up there because I already time-lapsed this one, so don't need to do it again. Alright, here we go. Alright, flip the brackets around the right way. Got my hardware here. I'm gonna cut some plates out, get them mounted up right there, and then see how I'm going to weld this all together to the base. So here we go. Super simple. Just cut the plates through some holes in them. Now they're attached to there, and I'll build something like this. Yes, I'm not too sure yet how I want to go about it, but I'm just going to make it a little bit higher, see how it's going to sit, see if this hardware will even work, and yeah, go from there. Just want to get it done. Now, after test fitting the seat and the seat bracket, these bolts are hitting right here and right here. So I like to sit low in my car, always have. So I'm gonna just try this out. I'm gonna drill a hole here, there, and there, and I'm just gonna through bolt it from here. I'm still gonna leave the 1/4-inch plates in, because if it sits where I like it, I'm gonna weld these to here on the base to give it some more structure, especially on this part, because these are a little bit 1-inch bars. I would have liked it if they sat on the bigger, thicker bars, the thicker plates, but that's not how it worked out. So I'm gonna drill this out, line it up, drill this out, everything through bolt it, sandwich everything, get it bolted in the car and get a real feel for it, so I can kind of get a baseline of where I want to sit. So I'm gonna do that and then let you guys know how it works out. All right, got some longer hardware. Damn. Got the holes all drilled out. Another reason why I want to weld. Oh wow! Another reason why I want to weld the plates that are on the seat rails on is because this is real close to the edge too, so make that a little stronger. So I'm gonna bolt it up, see if it works out. There we go. It's on. Let's mount it up in the car, see what it looks like. Alright, got the seat mounted. Sliders work. Let's test it out. Oh. Look at that. Perfect. Let me do something. It's actually perfect. Alright, that's going to conclude the seat bracket video. There's a little things I need to do. Just tighten up, probably get some better hardware for it, like an Allen key head or something. Just like the seats came with, so it's more accessible and I can tighten it a little better. I'm pretty happy with it. It works pretty good. Feels pretty strong. Yeah, overall, pretty good. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh.